Welcome to this gorgeous home on one of the best streets in Mossman. I'm Anthony O'Gorman.
And I'm Rob Jacobs. Come on through, let's have a look at 2 of 74 Raglan Street, Mossman.
Just like a townhouse, this gorgeously private, lovingly renovated 1930s apartment offers low maintenance living at its best. Sympathetically renovated to respect and reflect its heritage, it unfolds across a stunning dual level design featuring multiple lounges, plus a sunroom, modern kitchen and new appliances throughout. Immaculately presented throughout with plantation shutters and polished timber floors. With air conditioning throughout, there's a separate dining room plus spacious lounge area. There's 2 idyllic bedrooms and an abundance of custom storage as well, and wall-to-wall mirrored wardrobes. Immaculate bathroom, internal laundry, featuring a private and peaceful common courtyard at the rear with additional off-street parking. Professionals and active downsizers alike will appreciate its blend of comfort, convenience and lifestyle excellence with city and ferry transport just a stroll away. It's a premier position in a premier street with easy access to Avenue Road shops, Mossman cafes and the village lifestyle. And it's just a short walk to the city ferry and the Sydney Harbour foreshore.
So as you can see, a wonderful opportunity, a property you do not want to miss out on.
On behalf of the O'Gorman and Partners team, we look forward to seeing you at the next open.